let's learn the song Alaska by Pinegrove. We got a capo on the first fret. If you want to play along with the recording, you're gonna need that. But all the shapes I'm gonna talk about, like the capo is the nut of the guitar. All right, so it starts on C, A minor, E minor, G, and then that repeats. So that's the verse, and then that's the chorus. A minor, B over C to C. A lot of songs have the walk down, but they're walking the opposite direction, so they're going A minor to the B over the C, which is the regular C chord, and then E minor to G, and that repeats. That's pretty much it. And they use a lot of dynamics, so you should practice doing soft and loud. That's what I mean by dynamics, loudness and softness. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.